The amount of rainfall for 75 days in a particular year will measure correct to the nearest n. So this is our data. This is our frequency. Find the mean amount of the rainfall and standard deviation. So look at our data here. We are having a group data where you can see already group up 0 to 5 under this, 5 to 10 under this, then 10 to 15 under this. So to find the mean, symbol mean, it will be sum of fx over sum of f. As you can see, we having frequency here, so it will going to frequency times with our data. So x here will be mean by the, for group data, x here means the midpoint of our class interval. So 0 to 5 add on, divide by 2. So the x here will be 2.5. Then this one, 5 to 10, their midpoint, add 5 and 10, divide by 2. It will give us 7.5. And then for the next class, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5. So we're going to use our calculator to help us calculate more easier. So put your statistic in one data, one variable. Key in our x here will be represent our midpoint for group data. And then you can see our group data here having frequency column. So to on this frequency column, we're going to press shift mode and then going down to find the list of number 4 statistic. Then you're on the frequency column. So your table will be having frequency column with the data. So now we can plug in all the data here. So we're having 8 classes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we move on to the frequency column to plug in our frequency. 2, 5, 7, 13, 21, 16, 8, and 3. So then we're going to minimize this display. The current display here, we press your AC. Then now we need to find out what is our reading for summation of x and summation of fx. So you put option, or in this calculator I will put shift 1 to find the command of sum. So I need sum of x. Therefore we will get 1642.5. And then for summation of frequency means total of your data. Total of your data for a number 4, which is your n. Total data here, 75 data. Yes, because just now we said we're having 75 reading data. So our frequency total out will be 75. Then we find out our mean. Number 4 reading number 2 for this symbol mean is 21.9. Then to find standard deviation, so it will be square root of 1 over summation f minus 1 in the bracket summation of fx squared minus summation of fx in the bracket square over summation of f. So summation of f here is total data 75. When you minus 1, it will be 74. So what we need here from calculator is summation of fx squared. Sum of x squared. So this one means summation of fx squared. Then summation of fx, we found it previously. And summation of x is total of the data, 75. So lastly, we find out the reading of standard deviation for the sample number 4, S equals to 8.052. So make sure your decimal here more than 3 significant figure